This segment will provide some operating and maintenance tips for your new AgraFab 44-inch lawn sweeper. To set the brush height, remove the hairpin from the pivot lock pin and push up or down on the height adjustment handle to adjust the brushes. Replace the pivot lock pin and secure with hairpin. The brushes should penetrate the grass half an inch for best results. To empty the bag, stop the towing vehicle and turn off the engine. Empty the bag by pulling on the handle. To use the offset hitch, loosen the drawbar bracket. Slide the drawbar to the left or right end of the sweeper housing. Then tighten the drawbar bracket. Use the transport feature when moving across pavement or areas you do not want to sweep. Empty the grass bag of all debris. Move the height adjustment to T position. Do not exceed 6 miles an hour. To store the sweeper when not in use, remove the hopper. Carefully remove the hopper support rods and collapse the hopper bag. Pull the pins from the bag arms and swivel them inwards. Replace the pins for safekeeping. Remove the handle holder and pivot the drawbar to the side. Make sure to read and understand the vehicle manual and owner's manual before using this sweeper. Always instruct other users before they operate the sweeper. Never allow children to handle the sweeper. Never allow anyone to ride on the sweeper. Always wear footwear when working with the sweeper. Never operate the sweeper if foreign matter is stuck in the brushes. Turn off the vehicle engine, remove the foreign matter, and check for damage. If the sweeper is damaged, repair before continuing to operate. Check the loading capacity of the towing vehicle and only sweep appropriate amounts of grass and leaves into the grass bag. Before you begin, make sure the sweeper retains its balance and does not overturn. Do not work on slopes greater than 10 degrees. Do not exceed 6 miles an hour. Drive slowly and carefully, especially when turning on uneven ground. Always keep the sweeper away from fire. Excessive heat can damage the brushes and grass bag and could cause the bag to burn. Always empty the grass bag before storing the sweeper. Spontaneous combustion may occur. Make sure to refer to the owner's manual for brush replacement, wheel removal, and other safety and maintenance tips. Congratulations! Your new AgraFab 44-inch lawn sweeper is now fully assembled and ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, please call AgraFab at 1-800-448-9282 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Or visit www.speedepart.com to purchase replacement parts. AgraFab, lawn care made easy.